After 2 persons were found positive with COVID-19 in the government building in Vikas Sauda, the entire building is being sanitized right now as we speak. Outside and both inside, the cleaning process is happening here. The sanitization is happening inside the Vikas Sauda building in Karnataka. And these are the people who have come from the health department. They're saying, unlike earlier when we used to, entire building was to be sanitized, now only the area where COVID positive people have been found, that particular area is being sanitized. And these are the health department workers who've been come here to sanitize the place to ensure that any kind of COVID-19 virus is not there on the field. Let me go across take them, sir. अनुषा ये क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग?
मैं दवा मार रहा हूँ।
अच्छा
कोरोना का दवा अलग मार रहा है।
अच्छा अलग दवा मार रहे हैं। यहाँ पे भी पॉजिटिव, 2 लोग पॉजिटिव है, इसके लिए आ रहे हैं।
कौन भी बोले ना, हमारा मालिक बोला मैं इधर 20 आदमी आपको है।
20 आदमी आ गए, 20 लोग आप लोग?
हम 20 लोग आ जाए, ऊपर नीचे सभी मारना।
सभी मार रहे हैं। क्या दवा मार रहे हैं आप? क्या दवा मारते हैं इसको?
इसको ये
क्या केमिकल्स। अच्छा, तो ये आपको पूरा सैनिटाइज पेपर है?
सैनिटाइज केमिकल्स दोनों मिला का है इसमें।
अच्छा, तो ये टेस्ट सूट पहनना पड़ेगा उस पर? सूट पहन के आप लोग ये दवाई मारते हैं?
हाँ, सूट पहन के दवा मार रहे हैं। ये कोरोना नहीं है ना कर को, ये सूट पहन के दवा मार रहे हैं।
देखा ये कैसे करते हैं आप लोग? So these are the chemicals being sprayed now at Vikas Sauda. This is a government building which is just opposite outside the opposite of Vikas Sauda. हाँ, आप कुछ कह रहे थे?
ऊपर जाना को ऐसा करना।
अच्छा
नीचे आना तो ऐसा करना।
अच्छा, so he's just showing the way method of where chemicals are sprayed when it is up and if it's below, how chemicals are sprayed here to sanitize the place when it is affected by COVID-19. There are 2 people have been found positive in the Vikas Sauda building. Those are government employees who are working in the computer department, and right now people who came in contact with all these people have been asked to go under home quarantine. As you can see, the entire place is being sanitized. Also, I can see the water, the entire building is washed from outside, and as you see, as if right now they have started the work late in the evening when offices are closed now. The first floor where the people were found positive, that building is closed, and now they have brought in this water there. As you can see, they're completely disinfecting the entire area. The building is being washed there right now, outside also, and from the main side this building is washed here. This is Vikas Sauda, where most of the government working offices are there. It is right opposite the Vidhan Sauda. As you can see on the Gandhi statue there, very famous. Many of the politicians, whenever they want to make agitation against the government, they come here and protest, and this entire area is also being sanitized and sprayed with disinfectants so that people should not get any of this COVID-19 virus. This is the situation now in Vikas Sauda in Bengaluru. With video journalist Sunil, 4 Times Now, this is Imran Khan.